This is heavy. And we got two options here. Alright guys, you can quickly see here is the differences between these two animals is that this one's actually the puppet and this one's more of a mannequin-esque type puppet. I did a poorly job in storing it, so the parts where it's supposed to stay are wobbly, but we'll get that fixed. But this is the one I took to the Knicks games outside. As you can see, pretty rough usage that I have to do a couple tweaking, but this one to me seems like the better one, although I have to kind of fix these hairs and just give it a quick tidy up, a little tune up before actually delivering it to the shop. But this is the motorcycle. This is the motorcycle I got off the marketplace. The guy was very nice enough to charge me for only the light for him to install it. As you can see here, he added this light, and with the push of this button, pretty neat, huh? I gotta switch off the jersey soon. Myself included. Let's give it a quick rub now. Oh god, a lot of dust. Luckily my friend Brian has been storing this for me in his garage, because this would not have survived in the winter. Nice. So I don't like the handlebars on these, so I ordered these on Amazon. So let's get those installed onto these puppies. That was nice. So I have to get into that. Okay, looks like that's for that. So I'm assuming now I'd be able to fit. Yeah, alright. Days for sure, but this is kind of like the puppet that just gets used on the fly. This guy's not even a puppet. This guy, however you open or close your mouth, that's where it stays for the most part, so that way they can kind of style it however they want to style it on the actual puppet. Or motorcycle, rather. Knicks champion. Got the jeans for him. Shout out to the children's place. That. How are you looking so far? That's the place. That's the shop. Psychotherapy. I had the patchwork and the jacket done in Colombia. There's a guy I met over there. He does handmade leather for God knows how many years. Amazing, amazing, amazing job on it. Emotional support animal. Not funny? Then I bought this pin, Dr. Teeth, the Electric Mayhem, which is the Muppet Shows, their band. And then Dare, the Dare pin I bought on Temu. Drugs are really expensive. I feel like I should add more patches. Maybe one of my finger puppet brand. Those who don't know, I do have a finger puppet brand. Dumpets. You can follow me on the social medias or whatnot, even though I feel too like a grandpa for that. But anyways, yeah, what would a motorcycle be without the leather jackets? Or what would the motorcycle rider be without the leather jacket, rather? He is looking very fly. But wait, there's more. The guy who also made me the leather jacket, he made me these leather bracelets. So I think it just goes perfectly with the animal and the aesthetic, because I don't know, this feels like something that would be like kind of like a dog collar type of thing, and he's like off the chain because he's just crazy. But I think somebody might steal this. It looks like a little kid I'm dragging on this thing. Alright, let's configure this. I think I'm gonna have to use a stand to kind of let him ride on here. So what I think, instead of putting the stand just directly on him, I think what I'll do is I'll put the stand on the bike seat. How I'll do that, not entirely sure. We'll figure it out together. Alright, so the light here looks great. The only thing is, the guy who installed it put it in a way that you have to press it. And being that this is a puppet, he doesn't really listen. So, my plan is to kind of make a makeshift elastic button holder, if you will. So we're just gonna freeball it and see how it turns out. By the way, contact cement for any puppet builders is a definite must-have. I think in life, if I could use this contact cement in my life, it might have more structure. On here. Kinda. Yeah. A lot of stuff has to dry. It's gonna take probably a good day to really get on there good, which is fine by me. Get that in there. Yeah, buddy. So far the feet, they look great. That seems pretty on there, pretty good. And regardless, the feet aren't really the parts that are going to be more subject to movement. As you can see, like, you know, when this turns, you can see how it might loosen up the the grip on all the adhesive and the glue and the arms and whatnot, so, or in the hands. So we're playing all this by ear. But whatever, we'll see. Let's go to the back with these clamps so I can show you guys what I did. So right here's the base. You just kind of put that in there. You can kind of see the base of this being clamped to the chair, so that way that's pretty secure there. What I might do is I might actually cut the clamp here because it's kind of messing with the shirt layout a bit. And check out this nice leather bag that I had handmade for the drumsticks, so that way whenever animal's on the move, he's got his drumsticks with him, right? I probably might go buy some necklaces for him. I ain't gonna lie. Some jewelry. You know? Shirt could be fixed a bit more. There you go. Other than that, I think he's coming out super fly. And you see, he's really on there. It's like he's really riding. It looks kind of funny, right? Yeah. The cool thing is, like, you can adjust his mouth, his head, you know. This looks really cool. So let's let this dry, and then we'll test it out tomorrow. Alrighty, so this is most of it all dried up, dolled up, ready to go. And I gotta say, it looks pretty good. You know, adjust the wire inside of the legs to give it that little bend. And this is how the little makeshift kind of button holder works. So it would press it here and it would just kind of hold it there. You see how it kind of holds the button there? So it looks pretty tough. I ain't gonna hold you. Looks pretty darn cool. Now we gotta do like an earthquake test. Yeah. It's my sign for my brand, my Thumpets. Which one could we use? I think a black one would be good too. Those of you who don't know, Thumpets is my brand, my puppets. In no way, shape, form, affiliation with the Muppets. I'll put the link to my own finger puppet brand. This is my design, my concept, and I'm super proud of it. So you already know I had to put a little Thumpet on this nice little animal sculpture. I think I gotta secure it a bit because it's pretty top heavy. Daniel! You're on camera. Don't say anything that might incriminate you.
Ernesto.
You ready to see this joint?
Peter.
Peter, Daniel, Peter. Is it?
Yeah, that's pretty fire.
You're telling me. I want to stop in the city and take flicks with it. I think that'd be great. Why are you making that face? Think you're better than me? This is not a sponsor, but I made an espresso from the Intenso Cafe, I think it's what it's called, on Amazon. Peter, what are your thoughts? Are we getting a sponsor? What do you know? Let's go. Peter just let off the Hiroshima bomb in there. Nigga, bro, why don't you take a dump in your own house?
Have the coffee here.
Yeah, that's exactly why. Should we stop by the place to get the fabric real quick? There's a fabric shop that's on Myrtle. It's like,
I actually want to go check it out.
yeah, we could also say hi to them too. They're good people. It can come off pretty easy.
Yeah, I think we should.
Yeah, right.
So,
So that's the whole spiel.
Is this a real motorcycle?
Yeah.
Then you can ride it?
It's not connected though. You know, I thought it would be so cool if you could like actually ride it with remotely control, but I'm like, that'd be just too dangerous.
oh, that's fire. Put the little dude there.
Of course.
Bring device.
All right, guys, let's boogie. I'll carry this distinguished gentleman. You ready?
Oh, damn, it's heavy.
Not really. I mean, I carry the whole thing dolo. Oh, Peter, try not to look too excited. You look like you just took a shit. Oh, shit. Yeah. Wait, are you okay? No, we can laugh. How did you not notice that? Here, give me the water, sir. You're like holding the spring. There you go. I would grab, yeah, give me that.
Hold on. Get the stick.
Thank you.
Wait, yeah, we could just.
I would not do that. Peter! Oh my god.
Doing all.
You're doing nothing!
I'm literally bringing it down and you let go.
That's boogie. Now we can just wheel it. Wheel and deal it. This one? Hell no. Only assholes drive Jeeps. Yeah, put the puppet like, you could have him like sitting. Yo, but treat her with love, Peter. Treat her like a woman. You ever touched a woman? Peter, did you drink last night? Little hungover little shit. All right, I guess we're hit the cafe spot. All right.
Put the address. What is it?
I'm gonna send it to you right now. Back it up and then I'll close the gate. Right this way, princess.
They know you already?
Are they? Hello.
Hi.
How are you? Good to see you. How are you?
Mention it today.
Yeah. What's up? What's up? What's up? It's my friend Danny, the other curly hair Peter. We're making a video. We got
Me?
no. Well, if you want it to be, on the way to drop off this puppet. To this one right here on the motorcycle.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. We have it in the car right now.
Wow.
Yeah. So we want to buy some velvet to like do the grand reveal because we're giving it to the motorcycle shop. So we're gonna cover it and we want to just the whole thing. Yeah.
Yes, good.
Yeah, I think that might be the go. Peter, watch out. Sorry. Sorry, it's my friend Peter. He doesn't talk. He communicates in photos. I think this one might be it, right? Yeah? Here, you want to sit in the car in the AC? Sure. All right. Check it out.
Oh my goodness. That's huge.
Yeah.
Buddy.
So we have him like set up so like on the stand so he just kind of sits on it. Looks pretty good.
What's the body from? What's the foam?
You're all set, my friend.
No, I didn't gotta pay.
Don't worry about it.
No, get out of here.
No, go next time.
No.
Next time.
I'll bring the fabric back and I'll still pay for it because I only need it just to present it. Where's your business card so I can put on the video? I'll bring the fabric back if anything, guys. I feel bad not paying for it. Yeah, there you go. New York Fabrics. Let's do it. Thank you guys so much. I'll be back with the fabric though. For sure. I'll be back soon. I'll be back soon. Say hi to the family. Later, Sam. I'll catch you on everybody's good, thank God, yeah. Everybody's hot, but we're good. I'll send you guys the video. I'll show you guys how it comes out. Take it easy, guys. You right there, princess? You need anything?
I could use...
Yeah, no. I got you. Hey, we're here to work. Ow! I didn't hit you. Yeah, Peter. Don't break a leg hurting me. Helping me. Sure, he looks funky. I kind of gotta reset him. Damn, it's windy too.
Bikers here yet.
Good. Fortunately not. Fortunately.
I think your phone's off, by the way. You blocked me.
You blocked me.
You blocked a number that I didn't have.
I don't have insurance.
Right, you don't even have a license.
It's a cool shot, right? Me and my son. I guess a shot straight forward and then a shot backwards.
Yeah.
Let me know if the light makes a difference.
What?
The light makes a difference. I guess the light will make some subtlety. Is this light on? Still?
Yeah. It makes a difference in the photo.
Yeah. Sweet. Yeah, take a video, take some tape.
Alright. The gas station or the shop?
Oh, the gas station, my bad. Yeah, that'd be funny kind of putting it in the tank. That'd be a good pick. Oh, nice, Peter. Just scratch up the bottom, why don't you? Now you want to take charge? Hey, don't just leave him here. Help me out. Make so that the bottom, no, but grab the metal, the chrome. There you go. There you go. Sweet. Good job. Let's just wheel her in, see what's up. Yeah, that's not bad. Yeah. And we'll put the book bag to kind of give it some comfort.
And that's not real.
Yo, shut up.
You know it's recording?
Is it recording?
I don't know.
Do you see the light?
I see a white light going like that.
Yeah.
You want the Polaroid? You want the phone photos? I'm assuming. Where does it pay up?
You know? Yeah.
3, 2, 1. It's actually pretty cool out here, so we're chill. It's all him. It's all him.
That's beautiful. I love it. I love it. I can't stop laughing. Oh my God.
He's got a lot more where that came from.
What did you think of it?
It's all him. It's all him.
Yo, he's a clown. That shit, yo, everybody on the road is laughing.
This is like a moldy thing, so it has a wire. Let's go past the pillar. Alright, you drop it right here? Yeah. I think the gate. Alright, is it?
Alright, moment of truth.
Big reveal.
What you got for us under this bucket?
Yeah, by the way, is this Jonathan for the camera?
How's it going?
Works at psychotherapy here in Harlem. Alright, Jonathan, give you guys a little gift for the showroom. I think we mix up puppets.
Alright, this is sick, bro. That is so fucking cool.
Yeah.
It looks like me.
Yeah.
Fuck on my head.
Got him looking good, got the niche.
Oh
jersey
yeah.
on there.
Fuck
And if you check back here,
You got that.
we got the psychotherapy patch.
yeah. Yo. I was a fucking partner myself. That shit dope as hell.
It's a nice little centerpiece for the floor, you know. That's cool.
Yo.
Yeah.
You gotta make us.
Sweet.
Tilted. The good thing is I got a clamp on the seat. This here.
Are you selling those toys too?
No, that's something else. But these are mine. You can see. That's why they hooked me up with like selling on the floor and all that. So I was like, you know what? Let me bring in something nicer.
It's just one flight up.
I think so. No, but you're not there. I'm just kidding. Man, it's fire. I never actually seen this part. Yo, Peter, the yellow one, I could totally see you whipping. This yellow one is heat.
How did they get them down?
It's a phenomenal question. Maybe an elevator shaft? I think I saw one.
Damn, that yellow Italian salad.
Sweet. That's how we're looking out here.
Let's see if he responds quick.
I got you. Psychotherapy. Job well done. Alrighty, gang. Another successful shoot. Peter. End of the game. Hooray! Ernesto signing off. This was our meal. Until the next one.